caught my second bass for 2018 there, Spencer.
Hello.
At Ray's. We're using live bait because I don't feel like using lures right now. It's pouring raining. But let's have this bass go. One last look. I don't even have my GoPro on me. There we go. Small bass. Oh. Calm down, buddy. Ow. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Sorry about this, guys. The reason why I've been using my phone for the last couple of days, my GoPro's dead. And I just got a rook, so... Oopsie. Don't spike me, whatever you do, don't spike it. So I just dropped it right where this bush is, like right there. It's about 5 feet right there. But, you know, the bass, not the biggest, but... Put it right in the same spot, like a minute after I put that one back, I dropped it in, I caught this guy. Let's look at this bass. And then the bass guy. Me and Spencer.
Hello.
If I don't catch something on the outpost, we have no more shiners. Spencer has yet to catch a bass, but we don't catch nothing soon. I'm gonna go home, get some catfishing gear and go catfishing at the Merrimack River.